Today, kindness will be tested.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Joy. Did you sleep well?
Please put this on the table.
Of course. Thank you, Mom. It looks delicious.
Remember, kindness is not only something we say, it is something we show through our choices.
I'll remember, Dad.
Jack, wake up! You'll miss the bus!
5 more minutes.
You could fall. Please slow down.
I'm fine.
I don't want this. I want pancakes.
There wasn't enough time to make pancakes because you woke up late.
Jack, you forgot this.
Okay. Bye. Good morning.
You could say thank you. She knows I'm thankful.
That would be wonderful, Joy. Thank you.
Good morning, Mrs. Wilson. May I help you?
We're going to be late. The bus will not arrive for several minutes.
Thank you very much, Joy. You have been very helpful.
You're welcome. Have a lovely day.
Jack, your wrapper fell.
It didn't fall. I dropped it.
There is a rubbish bin at the corner. Someone else can pick it up.
Small actions affect other people.
Good morning.
Good morning. May I stand beside you? I'm still not used to taking the bus.
Of course.
Good morning, children. Please enter one at a time.
You go ahead first.
Thank you.
All right, come on in.
Jack, please don't push. Someone could fall.
Excuse me. May I pass, please?
There.
Thank you.
Come on! Move faster!
Are you okay? Yes. Thank you.
Patience helps everyone feel safe and respected.
Today is a special day. At the end of our lessons, one student will receive the Star of Kindness.
I have the perfect plan.
What is it? That prize will be mine. I saw you got first place on the math test. It wasn't just me. We studied together.
Then show everyone what kindness looks like. These words are simple, but they are powerful because they show that we notice and respect other people.
What should we say when someone helps us?
Please wait for your turn.
May I answer, please? Yes, Joy. We should say thank you.
Excellent. And what should we say when someone thanks us?
You're welcome.
Ouch! Ouch! Are you okay? My knee hurts.
You want to sit here?
Yeah. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Try to walk slowly until your knee feels better.
Only collect leaves that have already fallen.
I found something. The owner must be worried. We should take it to Miss Taylor. We should return it.
Maybe we could keep only a little. It doesn't belong to us. Returning only part of it would still be dishonest.
But what if nobody ever knows?
You would know. All right, let's return it.
You should carry it. You are making the right choice. I found this. I think it's yours.
Oh, thank you so much. That's incredibly kind of you.
We found this beneath a bench near the garden.
Oh.
Everything is still inside.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but...
Is this yours?
Oh, yes, thank you.
Yes, that's it.
You all deserve the Star of Kindness. Before I announce today's recipient, I want everyone to remember that kindness is not a performance. It is a habit built through many small choices.
Yes, Dad, go ahead. Joy helped me when I was nervous at the bus stop, and he caught me when I nearly fell. He also helped me after I hurt my knee.
Thank you, Lily.
Jack shared the soccer ball, listened to my poster idea, returned the wallet, and helped me pick up my books.
Today, one student showed kindness, respect, patience, and responsibility from morning until afternoon. The Star of Kindness.
Jack Miller, please stand.
You worked with her as a partner, returned Mr. Clark's wallet, and helped without being asked. That growth deserves to be recognized.
Thank you, Miss Taylor. I want to make better choices tomorrow, too. After you.
Thank you. Huh?
You're welcome.